Hi and welcome. Today I'll be doing the problem merge k-sorted lists. Merge k-sorted linked lists and return it as one sorted list. So we have an input array and our input array has multiple linked lists. In this example there's 3. And we want to take these 3 and merge it into one. So how I'm going to do this problem is I'm just going to keep merging 2 lists at a time because merging 2 lists is simple. So I'm just going to keep merging 2 at a time till there's only one list left. So I'm going to write that out. So merging 2 lists is simple. Keep merging 2 at a time till there is only one list left. So basically when list.length equals 1. So I'm going to go through this example here to make it more clear. So lists equals, so our array lists, it has 3 linked lists in it. So I'm going to merge 2 at a time and then just push it into the array. Then merge 2 at a time, push into the array until list.length equals 1. Once it's 1, I'm going to return the first element in the array. And I'm going to go through this example so it's going to be more clear. So first things first, I'm going to just do my edge case real quick. Okay, so while list.length is greater than 1, I'm just going to keep merging. So I'm going to say let a equal list.shift. Okay, so what does that do? So now I have a variable a, and I did list.shift. Now .shift removes the first item in the array and returns that removed item. So I'm going to take the first item in the array, remove it, and return it here. So now I'm going to do let b equals list.shift. So I'm going to take the first item of the array, remove it, and return it. So now I have 2 lists, A and B. Now I'm going to merge those 2 lists. Let merged AB equal merge list A comma B. So merge lists is going to merge 2 linked lists together. So once we do that, so merge A and B will equal these 2 lists merged. So it will be 1, 3, 4. Oh, 1 over here too also. 3, 4, and 5. So when we merge these 2, we're going to get this. Then I'm going to take this merged list and I'm going to push it back into the array. So I take merge A, B, and push it into lists. So I take that and push it into lists. So it puts that at the end of the list array. Okay. So list.length is still greater than 1. So right here, list.length is 2. So we're back in the while loop. Now A equals list.shift. Well, we'll take the first element of this array, remove it, place into A. Then let B equal list.shift again. So we're going to take the first element of this array, remove it, place it into B. Now we're at let merged AB equals merge list A and B. Merge list is going to merge these 2 lists together. So merged AB is going to equal 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we merge these 2, we're going to get this list right here. Now we do list.push merged AB. So take this and push it into our list array. Okay. Now list.length equals 1. So we're going to exit out of this while loop. And now we're just going to return lists of 0, which is the first element in our list array. So we return lists of 0, which equals this linked list right here. And that's the general idea. So I'm going to quickly write out the merge list function, which is just merging two sorted lists. So let's do that here. Function merge list A comma B. So I'm going to create a dummy node, new list node. Let current equals dummy. Okay, while A is not null and B is not null, so while they still have things in their list, if A.val is smaller than B.val, we're going to set current.next to being A, because we're sorting in ascending order. So A, and then move A forward. Else, B is greater than or equal to, B is less than or equal to A. So we're going to set current.next to be B, and then we're going to move B forward. Okay. Now we're going to move current forward. And then once one of these is null, we're just going to set current, we're going to exit out of the while loop and set current.next to being whichever one is not null, whichever one contains things, because the list can be of different lengths, right? So if A is smaller, it's going to exit out and then it's just going to do current.next the rest of B. Okay, so then, and remember, these lists are already sorted individually. So, okay, so then we're going to return dummy.next. Okay, so yeah, that's one way of doing this problem. You just merge two at a time. So you just do list.shift, list.shift, merge those two lists, and then push it back into the array. And keep doing this until our list length equals 1. And then once it's 1, we return the first element in lists. So I'm going to run this. Submit. Okay. I hope this helped, and thank you so much for watching.